Hi guys, for today's video, we are going to try a red ribbon. We bought it yesterday from Virginia. And I already ate a butter. Hey guys, welcome back again. Sorry. So as I said, I already tried the butter. And let's try onion butter. It's okay. Is it maybe 7? 7 maybe. So let's try without oil. So many. A lot. A lot. So we'll try the ube. Ube. Smell it. Smells good. Okay, it's been a while since I came here in the States. Like travel, 5 hours to Virginia just to buy this. Yeah. Oh, let me try. Yeah. I will rate it maybe 8 or 9. Shut up. Come here, Bear. And we're gonna try other one. Then, butter. The mocha. My favorite one, the mocha. Oh my god, it smells like good. Smells so good, guys. I think it's really worth it. We also bought a cake, a classic mocha. Maybe 5. I think I like the ube. Maybe 5, yeah. 10 out of 10, maybe 5. Yeah, maybe 5, so. I'm not sure. Okay, last one, we're gonna try their moist chocolate slice. Set up. Their moist chocolate. Wow. I'm gonna show. The smell is so good, like really good. Sorry guys, this is not for you. Oh my god, look at that. Very moist. The smell is really good. Dark chocolate. I'm gonna, I give it 9. Sugar gummies, yeah. I'm kind of thirsty by eating it. I think I like the ube so far. Ube is the best for me. Hi guys.